Hello everyone. Today, I am thrilled to share with you a simple and effective way to repair cracked plaster in your home. No need to panic and call an expert right away, because with our easy-to-follow guide, you can do it yourself. Let's start by discussing the materials and tools you will need for this project. You will need plaster sealant suitable for both interior and exterior use, primer for porous surfaces, sandpaper in various grits, a putty knife, a mixing bowl, a mixer, water, a cloth, and personal protective equipment such as gloves, goggles, and a respirator. In terms of tools, you will need putty, sandpaper in various grits, a mixing bowl, a mixer, a cloth, and personal protective equipment. Now, let's dive into the step-by-step process. First, prepare the crack by cleaning it from dust and dirt. If the crack is loose, remove any loose pieces of plaster and moisten the area around the crack with water. Next, apply a primer to the crack and its surroundings if the plaster is porous. Allow the primer to dry according to the manufacturer's instructions. Then, mix the crack sealant according to the manufacturer's instructions and apply it to the crack with a trowel, pushing it deep. Smooth the surface of the sealant with the surrounding plaster and allow it to dry as per the manufacturer's instructions. After the putty has dried, sand the surface with sandpaper to make it smooth and even with the surrounding plaster, gradually using finer grit sandpaper. Finally, if necessary, paint the repaired area to match the surrounding plaster. For deeper cracks, you may need to apply sealant in multiple layers. I hope this guide will assist you in repairing cracks in your plaster effortlessly. If you have any questions, feel free to write them in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you for watching.